Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is fabric softener, or you can call it after wash liquid fabric conditioner. It conditions the cloth, so it is also called fabric conditioner. Friends, do you know what is fabric softener? How it is used and why it is used? Friends, fabric softener is used after washing the clothes. After washing the clothes, simply dip the clothes in fabric softener. Fabric softener acts as a disinfectant, means it removes viruses, bacteria and other germs from the clothes. It also gives pleasant fragrance to the clothes, and the texture of the clothes become very soft. When you touch the clothes, you will feel that the clothes are very soft and silky. It also gives shyness to the clothes. Friends, the price of fabric softener in the market is too high. You can prepare at home in a very low cost. So friends, let's start the video. Friends, in order to understand properly, please watch my full video till end. I will tell the names of the raw materials and the quantity of raw materials in the end. Friends, first I am showing you the ingredients. This is DHT DMAC. This is color. You can take any color of your choice. This is perfume. This is preservative. This is water. You can take mineral water, RO water, DM water. But please friend, don't take tap water. Friends, first of all, I am taking boiling water. This is boiling water in the bowl. Now I am mixing DHT DMAC in this boiling water. Then mix it properly. It will take some time in dissolving. Mixing is very important. Dissolve it properly. See, it has completely dissolved. Now I am adding perfume. Now I am adding preservative, means I am adding formalin. The name of the preservative is formalin. Then mix it properly. Now your fabric softener is ready. Friends, if you want to add color, you can add color. That's why I am showing you how to add color. Friends, I want a little dark, so I am adding some more color. You can add any color of your choice. Friends, to make this fabric softener, you should take boiling water. DHT DMAC will mix only in boiling water, otherwise it will not mix in water. So take boiling water. The quantity of water should be 900 ml in 1 liter of liquid fabric softener. Then take 100 gram DHT DMAC. The full form of DHT DMAC is dehydrogenated tallow dimethyl ammonium chloride. Then take 5 or 6 ml perfume. You can take any perfume of your taste. Friends, then take preservative. The name of the preservative is formalin. For making 1 liter fabric softener, add 4 ml preservative. Friends, preservative is used to increase the shelf life of fabric softener. You can omit preservative. Friends, if you want to do business, you can do the business of fabric softener. The business of fabric softener is very profitable because making fabric softener is so simple. It's a mixing process only and no machine is required. Simply fill the bottles and paste your company's label and go to the shops and sell it. If you have any doubt, you can write in the description box. If you like my video and want to watch more such videos, please like my video and share with all your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press that bell icon. After pressing that bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.